We enjoy playing popular Switch games with friends, and we are accustomed to working with our cell phones and our computers when we are on business. But running out of battery is really painful for us. Even though we may bring a portable power pack with us, it takes several hours to charge. Therefore, we have to keep it in mind to charge it at all times. Is there a power pack that can be charged within a few minutes instead of several hours? Now we have it. Apollo, the world's first portable power pack using graphene composite battery and USB CPD technology. It supports up to charge at 60 watt, which means battery with capacity of 6,000 milliamps can be fully charged in 20 minutes or so. Apollo supports the Power Delivery 3 protocol. You don't need to bring a separate adapter with you because it is compatible with USB-C power adapters of Nintendo Switch, Apple MacBook, Lenovo laptop, Dell laptop, or HP laptop. If you have only old laptop chargers or MagSafe adapters, you can also use our AnyWatt adapter to charge Apollo. Besides, Apollo supports 40-watt USB CPD output, which means it supports the fast charging of the latest iPhone 8 or iPhone X, or in an emergency, it supports emergency charge to your Apple MacBook. Apollo realizes application of graphene composite cell to mobile power pack for the first time in the world. On the basis of the same capacity and the same charging current, the cell with graphene composite material has much smaller internal resistance and better conductivity. Therefore, the temperature rise is lower during super-fast charging, so it is safer, and cell swelling and burning will never happen. In addition, graphene cell can effectively improve the cycle life of the cell substantially, from 300 times to 10,000 times. With Apollo, now you can play and work anytime, anywhere, with no worries about charging.
Poor sleep and daytime drowsiness are our enemies and epidemics of the 21st century. They are often the reasons for our failures, depression, and health issues. We all could use more restful sleep, extra energy, and better concentration to reduce stress, advance performance, look younger, and fully enjoy life. SleepMan was developed by our scientists and engineers to solve these problems. It includes the features needed by most of us and was created to boost our success and improve our lives. The new SleepMan is fully upgraded based on suggestions from the Kickstarter community received during our first campaign. The unique e-magnetic enhancer safely stimulates your nervous system with scientifically patterned impulses. You likely wouldn't feel them, but you'll definitely wake up fully refreshed and stay more productive and energetic all day long. SleepMan effectively improves your sleep. Throughout the night, it monitors your sleep stages, enhances sleep efficiency, and wakes you up at the right moment within your preset time range, so you feel better rested and energized. During the daytime, it monitors your biosignals and notifies you of tiredness and concentration loss. SleepMan's bioactive power nap and relaxation mode is one of the most effective ways to eliminate drowsiness. Every one of us is unique. That's why SleepMan utilizes self-learning technology and adapts to its users' biorhythms for the best results. The SleepMan app tracks your improvements and shows how to adjust your daily routine to feel even better. We've designed the new SleepMan to be modern-looking and comfortable to wear around the clock. It fits any hand and easily matches any outfit for any occasion. One day, SleepMan might even save you or your loved ones. Most accidents are caused by loss of concentration. SleepMan's Focus Loss Alert gives you a timely warning and never lets you lose control, whether you are spacing out on a date, driving, working, socializing, or playing on your computer. Today, we need your help to start production, and together we can help the world to sleep and live better. Thank you for your support from our team and everybody who needs SleepMan.
In the current digital age, have you ever wondered why can't we make and receive telephone calls from our smartphones itself? That way we could get rid of wired telephone instruments, cordless phones, lengths of wire, answering machines, and intercoms. And what if we could integrate functionality of all these devices into a single router? That would declutter the sprawl of digital devices and ensure seamless continuity between home and office locations. Crux LX, the smart router and unified communications platform, has made all of this possible today. It performs all these tasks and many more. The best part, it works across all countries, and each Crux LX unit can connect up to 250 users globally, which means it can be used at home as well as in small offices. You can use a 3G GSM SIM from any country simultaneously for data and voice, or SIP truck provider for any part of the world, including Skype for business and Google Voice. Users in US can also configure their Vonage SIP trunks to work with Crux LX. It is like creating your own autonomous WhatsApp-like infrastructure with just one device. But unlike WhatsApp, Crux LX does not require mobile numbers to be shared with users. There's more. Crux LX allows you to create your own audio conference bridge and interconnect multiple locations, significantly reducing long-distance calling charges. Crux LX is also power efficient and mobile. Used while traveling on a bus, on a ship, even on an airplane. Yes, we have tested it on an Airbus A320 180-seater commercial plane. One device can connect everyone in the plane without laying any cables or instruments. Crux LX uses 5V power over a micro USB port. A 5,000 mAh battery bank can keep it powered for up to 8 hours. Visit our website to learn more about Crux LX and allow us to help you make a free suitable assessment. Subscribe to our announcement feed to stay tuned to our updates. We look forward to your support. Come, join us in our journey.